pity on Moon and sent him a wife named Morning Star. To keep him a company for 2 years. When Morning Star came from the heaven to live with Moon, he brought fire with her. For he had nothing fixed on earth before. She built a fire in the middle of Moon's sun and slept on the side opposite him. In the night, however, he crossed over and made love to her. By the next morning, she was swollen, and she gave birth to the grasses and trees and other plants. And soon the world was green with life. The trees grew until they touched the sky, and the first rain fell from the clouds that they touched. Thus, life on the land flourished, and Moon and Morning Star led a bountiful life in their new paradise. At the end of 2 years, Morning Star returned to the heavens to live there forever. Again, Moon left in loneliness. God offered him another wife, but he warned Moon that this time the husband would die after 2 years. Thus, Evening Star came to live with the Moon. When they first made love, she gave birth to the goats and sheep and cows on the next day.
Nagsilip na.
The day after that, he gave birth to the antelope and birds. On the third day, boys and girls were born. Moon wanted to sleep again with Evening Star, but God warned him that he should not. He did so. However, on the next day, Evening Star gave birth to the lion, the leopard, the snake, and the scorpion that saved humankind because Moon ignored the warning.
Cobra.
As Moon's daughters grew up, they became beautiful and he wanted to sleep with them. He did so, and they have many children. Thus, Moon came to rule over a far-flung kingdom of his descendants. Evening Star was jealous, however, and she sent He soon fell ill, and the rainfall that his people had enjoyed stopped. As the rivers dried up and famine began, his people concluded that it was his fault. Eventually, they rose up and trampled him. And they set another man in his place as king. The people threw his body in the ocean. But he rose from the sea to the sky to seek his first white morning star.
Thank you.
In hope of reliving their life in the paradise they had.